Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You must have noticed these plants in parks and at roadside. It is easy growing, low maintenance plant and comes in different attractive shading ranging from pink, orange, white to purple. You must now all know what plant am I talking about. Yes, this is the lovely bougainvillea plant. It is famous for papery blossom bougainvillea. It can be grown on ground, pots, container and hanging baskets. It is also popular among bonsai lovers. We have this bougainvillea plant in our garden for about 6 years. My mom does pruning, trimming and pinching and gives them a bonsai look. Today I will tell simple tips about soil, water, temperature, fertilizer and caring about the plant. And special care after flowering. First we will give some fertilizer. Bougainvillea is not much demanding. Use compost or general purpose fertilizer. And in case of liquid fertilizers, my mom gives kitchen waste fertilizer, onion peel fertilizer and rice water. We have already uploaded a video about how to make these 3 fertilizers. After watching this video, you can also watch those videos. We will give the link in description. Normally, bougainvillea flowers 2 times in a year. Once in June and July and the other one is in October-November. Right now, my mom doesn't have any flowers in our bougainvillea plant. But from the last 2 months, we have bougainvillea flowers. After flowering, I will show you what else work we need to do for bougainvillea plant. After the plant flowers each time, my mom does some pruning. You can also do trimming. Trimming means removing just the ends of the branches or shoots. It helps your plant get bushy and helps in the next flowering season. Bougainvillea has an extremely fine root system and should be planted in well-drained soils. You can use red garden soil too, brought from local nurseries. Now I will say about watering. Water the bougainvillea as needed to keep the plant from wilting, but no more than this. Do not overwater. Allow the soil to dry between watering. As you know, this is the monsoon season and my mom will grow new plants from these cuttings. Now I will talk about the sun or temperature. Bougainvillea requires full sun. If your plant gets 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, then it will bloom well. And in winter season, do not give any fertilizers to the plant as it can go dormant. My mom is ready with the stems and simply put it in the soil and also does daily watering. We have also uploaded a video about how to get more flowers in bougainvillea plant, so you can watch that video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.